Come to a comfortable position. Gently float your eyes closed, drawing your senses inward, beginning by noticing your breath, the senses in your throat, maybe your fingertips. And if you notice your body is giving you any impulse to shift, please honor your body's gentle nudges. Let's take 3 breaths in together. Inhale through the nose, expanding your belly and your chest. Exhale, let it out. Take another deep and rejuvenating breath. And exhale, let it all go. One more breath in, this time breathing in the color of lightning. Drawing in this lightning breath through your nose into your brain. Somewhere down the eyes, down your throat, your lungs, your heart, into your belly, sipping in even more. And as you exhale, allow these waves of light through the body coming out through your nostril, retreating back deep into the mystery. Let's turn on our physical intelligence by bringing awareness to your midline. With your next breath in, breathing in a light from the base of the spine to the base of the skull, base of the skull to the base of your spine. Moving this light with your breath up and down, and turning on the light tube of your midline as your personal antenna to process the right energy, integrating external and internal in the most appropriate way. Let's strengthen our physical intelligence to be ready, open, and receptive. Eliminate, set free, make independent, release, protect. Strengthen to transcend and enter. Inner to outer, outer to inner. Beyond inner to outer, beyond outer to inner. Integration of the past, present, and future. Beyond space and time, in the transcendent state. Sending this to your midline, that I am able, ready, willing, deserving, committed. Neutral association. See it, believe it, expect it, imagine it. Imagination to reality, to emerge and ascend. Allow your midline to process with its intelligence the signals as you hear and feel each one of these items that we're working on today. Strengthen our pentagon of physical intelligence. Midline strong. Brain, spinal cord, cranial brain, integrations of your central nervous system. Pentagon of physical intelligence strong. Midline strong. We're going to strengthen our pentagon of physical intelligence, 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time. Midline strong. Brains, spinal cord, cranial brain, integrations of the central nervous system. Pentagon of physical intelligence strong. Neutrality pentagon strong. Positive, not positive. Negative, not negative. Neutral. Strengthen neutrality pentagon, 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time. Mindless, spiritless octagon strong to delete cumulative detrimental effect, down 0 minus infinity. Other dimensions, universes, existences, time, place, places unknown, black hole, wormhole, dark matter, dark energy. Mindless, spiritless octagon. Strengthen your pentagon of effects of knowing. Reducing emotions. Strengthen thinking, intuitions, feeling, and perceptions. 100% infinite potential. Strengthen your insight pentagon. Right strong, wrong weak. Perceptions, intuitions, feeling. Insight pentagon strong, 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time. Strengthened a manifestation triad. Actions, answers, and results. Strengthen our speed pentagon to process all the updates. Lightning fast. Fast, not fast. Slow, not slow. Neutral. Speed pentagon strong. 100% infinite potential. Let's open all our exit portals, strengthening all our exit portals. 100% infinite potential. Hands, fingers, feet, toes, underarms, under chin, sacrum, colon, bladder. Exit portals strong. Strengthen our physical geometric foundations. Internal external dynamics, internal external boundaries, vertices. Strengthen your pathways of communications from your higher source to your soul, to your mind, to your brain, to your spinal cord, to body. Both ways, communications, all points of communication strong, 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time. Deleting all invasive energy, enter into our system, knowingly, unknowingly, with or without permissions, through the doorways, physically, energetically, temporally, spiritually, with rights of access, energy field or not. Eliminate, set free, make independent, release, protect, forgive unconditionally. And closing all detrimental interdimensional doorways, open without permissions, knowingly, unknowingly, through various trigger points, emotional reasons, traumas, environment, relationships, whether they're opened in our physical body, energetic body, or environment. Eliminate, set free, make independent, release, protect, forgive, forget unconditionally. Disconnect all illegal, unauthorized, draining, limiting, two-way connections, actual imaginary memory, people, places, situations, past, present, future, parallel bleed through. Disconnect all interrelated factors, known or unknown, conscious or unconscious, across time, space, and reality, of these detrimental connections, all the way to the root, source, and origin, fully, completely now. Continue to delete negative relationships pattern triggers, past experience from self, past experience from others, past experience from anyone. Bring any cumulative detrimental effect down to 0 minus infinity, and strengthen 100% infinite potential 100% of the time. Relationship destroy restriction pentagon. Delete any cumulative detrimental effect from karma, misinformation, misperception, misinterpretation, negative thinking experiences of interactions with self to others, self to self, others to self. Strengthen karma triad. Delete any cumulative detrimental effect of karma. Direct karma, indirect karma, partial indirect karma. Strengthen 100% infinite potential, 100% of time of karmic resolution right here, right now. Strengthen self-trust problem triad. Choices, issues, triggers. Strong, 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time. Negative, internalized relationship with self experiences. From karma, trauma, limitations, fear, and phobia. Delete all negative relationship dynamics. Feeling trapped, stuck, conflicts, abuse, gaslight, and control. From self to self, others to self, self to others. Negative thinking pattern octagon. Delete any cumulative detrimental effect down to 0 minus infinity of criticizing, judging, blaming, complaining, worrying, uncertain, vengeful, regretting, and defending. From self to self, others to self, and self to others. Strengthen 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time. Self-relationship neutrality octadecagon. Neutralize relationship from our self to self, self to others, and other to self in the areas of approval, no approval, appreciation, no appreciation, acceptance, no acceptance, rejection, no rejection, recognitions, no recognition, satisfaction, no satisfaction, struggle, no struggle, expectation met, expectation not met, thoughtful, not thoughtful, respectful, disrespectful, complaining, not complaining. Competition, no competition. Trust, no trust. Forgetful, not forgetful. Faithful, not faithful. Honest, dishonest. Loving, unloving. Successful, unsuccessful. Strengthen 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time. Strengthen to attract the right people that support your purpose, give you acceptance, integrate well with you, give you recognition. Strong for not being rejected by anyone you wish, and weak for people you don't want to attract. And strengthen self-love octagon of self-acceptance, self-forgiveness, self-care, self-appreciation, self-knowing, self-respect, self-trust, self-confident, strong, 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time. For everything that we've worked on, deleting all backup copies, repeat functions, delete any anchors and tethers in any parts of our energy fields in our body. Delete all memories, residuals, imprints, remnants, and remains that are stored in our body, anywhere from our spinal cord, our brain, our mind, our soul, our higher source connections, and then down in the cellularly, in our DNA, chromosome, genes, other subcellular structure, molecularly, atomically, subatomic, nuclei, subnuclei, quantum field, energy to matter, matter to energy, and other dimensions. Existence is universe, time, space, energy, and unknown. Dissolve them all. Deleting all future weaknesses. Strong 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time. And strengthen separate, independent energy and emptiness to separate these issues and the energies that we have been connected with in the past. Life Pentagon. Delete any cumulative detrimental effect of these issues, connecting with ancestors, personalities, descendants, spirit attachments, or collective influences. Strengthen Life Pentagon's 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time. Misinterpretation Octagon. Same not the same, changing not changing, different no different, perception no perceptions. Deleting all cumulative detrimental effect of misinformation from experts, ancestors, collective influences, education, self, or anyone. Deleting false tools of suppression, denial, numbing, lying, shut down, forgetting. And strengthen our exit portals to process this energy. Hands, fingers, feet, toes, underarms, under chin, sacrum, colon, bladder. And strengthen the Yin Mastery Octagon. 100% infinite potential, down 0 minus infinity. Strengthen 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time. Once again, strengthen our geometric foundations, and strengthen all geometric foundations, strong for all the work that we've done, maintaining the balance of internal-external dynamics and internal-external boundaries, vertices. Strengthen us to resolve this issue right here, right now. Centered, balanced, stabilized, our body, our energy fields, left to right to left, front to back to front, top to bottom to top, inner to outer, outer to inner. Strengthen 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take another deep and rejuvenating breath. And exhale, let it go. One more breath in, this time breathing in golden light. Inhale through your nose and bring this golden energy into your brain. Saturate your brain sparkly gold into your eyes, your sinus, your throat, down your spine, breathing more of this golden energy into your lungs, your heart. Let this golden energy to melt and spread out, spreading to your shoulders, your arms, down your torso, your pelvis, your legs, your elbows, your knees, your hands, feet, and toes. Seeing yourself filled with golden light from the inside, organs, bones, muscles, blood, even hair and skin. You're radiating out a bubble of golden energy, nurturing, dynamic, regenerative. Slowly coming back. And when you're ready, gently, softly, notice your state of mind, your state of being. And gently open your eyes, grounded in your body.